Hey everyone, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at BRZE. This is ticker BRZE. BRZE is in a really nice pattern. We've seen a lot of breakouts recently and a lot of stocks that are extended well above all the major moving averages. And while, BRZE is a bit high above that 50-day moving average, it isn't as extended as most, and it just broke over a bit of a pivot here today. You can see this level of resistance that it hit right there, right in December. And now we just kind of tapped up against that level again and did it today on pretty good volume. It doesn't trade a ton, trades less than a million on average. But my thought is, since this is a recent IPO, recent-ish, I guess, in 2021, it looks like a potential retest of the highs could be in order as it shifted its trend midway through 2023. So I want to see if BRZE can blaze a path to test some of these previous resistance levels, like around here at around 65, or up here at around 82, or heck, even the all-time high, the what Dan Fitzpatrick calls the enthusiasm high of its IPO, right around that 95 level. Now, what I would expect from this is probably not a straight shot, but maybe a bit of a, kind of choppy move through up until, something like that. That would be at least in line with what it's been doing the last couple of months. So while that's not guaranteed, I am looking for a move through at least $59 on volume for a potential retest of the $65 high in the short term. So I'm going to set an alert here on my software right around that $59 level and look for a strong move through coming on volume. If you miss this, if you miss the breakout, that's okay. You probably would then just want to wait for a bit of a buyable pullback to either the 8 or the 21-day EMA. But that's one stock of many that we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I got a big list. There's a lot of great things working in the market. And if you want to see it, click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you at StockMarketMentor.com. Catch you next time.